Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjective. Happy. Happy. Oh, very good. Happy. There we are. Very good. Happy. Very good. Yeah, happy. So, she looks happy. She looks happy. Yeah. How happy is she? How happy is she? Yeah. She is very happy. Very happy. Yeah. Very good. Yeah. Very good. They are happy customers, not sad customers, not annoyed customers. Happy customers, yes. We only need to see happy people. Yes. Do you think sad people? Well, no. Let's rephrase that. Do you think happy people are better to do business with? Business with, maybe. Yeah. Perhaps. That always made me happy. Reading that book made me happy. Yeah. Learning about that topic made him happy. Made him happy. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, very good. Very good. I am quite happy with my choices. Quite happy with my choices. Yeah. I know that he will be happy with these new tools. These new tools, yeah. Very good. Do you really think that will make her happy? What could make her happy? I am not sure. I'm not sure. Yeah. Maybe. Different things. Reading, writing, or learning. They might make her happy. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah, so working on my goals makes me happy. Very good. How cool is that, language explorers? So, happy. Now, can you use happy in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.